Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the app you're trying to install isn't a Microsoft verified app. So if you're coming across this error message, well, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve it. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Select the setting gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It says Settings, so go ahead and left click on that. You want to now go ahead and locate the apps tile. Go ahead and select that. Underneath where it says choose where to get apps, installing apps only from Microsoft Store helps protect your device. Go ahead and click the drop down here and select anywhere. If it's anything other than anywhere, go ahead and change it to anywhere. And once you're done with that, you can just close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.